Supreme Court has ordered no coercive action to be taken against BJP leaders till the next date of hearing. This is in connection to the BJP plea in the top court seeking quashing of cases against BJP leaders in West Bengal. Now, the Supreme Court has asked for special incident report of the CISF to be submitted in a sealed cover by the next date of hearing. West Bengal government have been asked to respond to the plea by the BJP leaders alleging political vendetta against them. Those are some of the reactions we're picking up. And quickly taking a word from Nalini, our legal correspondent as well. Nalini, take us through the latest developments from the court.
BJP leaders from West Bengal had moved Supreme Court earlier today, asking for either all the cases that were filed against them by the TMC government to be quashed, or if the cases were not quashed, then at least to be transferred out of West Bengal. Because what they were alleging was that all of these cases were a result of political vendetta, nothing more than that, because these leaders had quit from the TMC and then joined the BJP. So with regard to that, Senior Advocate Mukul Rohtgi had laid down arguments on behalf of Arjun Singh, where he stated that all of these cases were filed in 2019 after Arjun Singh had quit TMC. And in that regard, the Supreme Court has now sought the response from the Mamata Banerjee government, asking them to respond by the next date of hearing. And more importantly than that, all the 6 BJP leaders have been granted protection from arrest, which means no coercive action can be taken against them by the Mamata Banerjee government, at least till the next date of hearing, which is when they have to respond as to what their side to this entire allegation of political vendetta is.
All right, so that's the latest development that we're picking up. Protection from arrest has been granted to the BJP leaders till the next date of hearing. No coercive action can be taken against BJP leaders till the next date of hearing is the key takeaway from this particular hearing. And this is, remember, in connection to the BJP plea in the top court seeking quashing of cases against BJP leaders in West Bengal. Nalini, the West Bengal government too has been asked to respond to the plea by the BJP leaders alleging political vendetta against them. Can you elaborate a little more on that?
Well, absolutely. So there were 2 petitions that were filed by all of these 6 BJP leaders from West Bengal. And essentially what they were alleging is that there were several cases that were filed against them by the Mamata Banerjee government that were completely false in nature and were merely a result of political vendetta because they had switched sides and they had left TMC. So in regard to that, the Supreme Court has said that they will seek the response from the Mamata Banerjee government to respond to these petitions and then decide what the course of action is going to be as to whether or not these cases are going to be quashed by the Supreme Court, whether or not it's going to become apparent that it is in fact a case of political vendetta, or whether there will be some merit to this case so the investigation will be allowed to go on. But that is only a matter of arguments on merits that will happen at a later stage. But at the same time, the Supreme Court asked them to respond, but in the meanwhile, they've also granted all of these 6 BJP leaders protection from getting arrested, specifically stating that no coercive action can be taken against them by the Mamata Banerjee government, at least till the next date of hearing, which is when the West Bengal government is going to be putting forth their side of arguments before the Supreme Court. And it remains to be seen exactly how this matter pans out and as to whether or not there will actually be a stay on all of these cases against the BJP leaders that have been filed in the past year and a half or so.
Absolutely. Well, the BJP plea in the Supreme Court maintained that all the criminal cases must be removed against the BJP leaders and the case must be transferred out of West Bengal for the moment. Till the next date of hearing, no coercive action can be taken against those BJP leaders and protection from arrest has been granted to them till the next date of hearing. Many thanks for the moment, Nalini. We'll leave it at that.